Pop and Papa Junk Shop. I got an email the other day from this place, HIPA. I don't know if it's HIPA or HIPA or however you say it, but they do small engine parts. They want to know if I'd be interested in reviewing some of their stuff. And I said, well, yeah, I guess I could. But, you know, they want to give you some kind of a thing where you make money. And I says, I'm not interested in making money. If you got a good product, I'll review it. Well, even if you got a bad product, I'll review it. And I'll tell them it's bad. And if it's good, I'll tell you it's good. So I says, if you want to do it under those circumstances, then, you know, go ahead and send me stuff. So they says, yeah. So we'll send you our toolkit for fixing carburetors, because they kind of specialize in carburetor kits. As a matter of fact, I think I bought one of their carburetor kits a couple of years ago for a Champion generator, and it worked really well. So let's open this thing up. See what we got. I think they got stuff on Amazon, and they got a website. So that's a nice soft case. Okay, so they're supposed to be special screwdrivers for carburetors. And these are little brushes and little, they almost look like a little file for cleaning out the jet holes and passages in the carbs. So it's nice to have them all in a little kit where you can keep track of them all. Of course, you got to put them back in there to keep track of them. So I'll put you up on the upper thing there for the camera, and we'll get them out and look at them a little closer. But I went to their website, and I don't know, you guys might not be able to see this too well, but they got lots of stuff, and you can there's some of their kits, and they're really reasonable priced. And they got chainsaw stuff and weed eater stuff, and you can shop by now let's see, I'm not good at this pewter stuff, especially when I'm okay. You can shop chainsaws, leaf blowers, lawnmowers, string trimmers, just engines in general, generators, motorcycles, hedge trimmers, and there's more. Tillers, augers, edgers, pole pruners, shredders, snow blowers, and you can go down and you can shop by brand. Briggs & Stratton, Steel, Honda, Echo, Husqvarna, Homelite, and there's tons more. And you can, all kinds of stuff. It's, if you need anything, you might want to go to their website and check them out, because their prices seem reasonable. So, anyways, enough of that pure crap. So, I'm going to get you moving. Hey guys, I'm back. So I see they have several different versions of this, and the one that they sent me says it's for trimmers, weed eaters, and chainsaws. So they make different kits for different kinds of carburetors. So make sure you check them out. Okay, here we go. Let's check out this little bag of goodies here. I can get it open. Alrighty, so this is what we got. Got an Allen key there. Of course, there is no instructions. Of course, if you order this stuff, you're supposed to know what you're doing anyways. So we've got a nice variety of some really delicate looking file-like things. And they go up to a pretty good size. In the same way with brushes. Oh, no, there's another one in there. They go from quite small to pretty large, and they're not wire brushes. They're a stiff fiber, and they're all on a nice ring, so you can keep them all in one spot. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got here. So what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them. So this is a little hex. Wow, that is small. I don't know if you guys would be able to see that, but it's got a little dimple right in the middle. This one's got one notch. This one, I'm not sure what it is. Okay, so I wonder. Okay, so on the handle there's a picture of what the end looks like. Outer hexagon. Single D. We call that one Pac-Man. And A circle. Got that little dot. It's a 6-star. Single D. Another Pac-Man. It's be a different size. Double D. Yeah, I could see where these would be handy. There's a spline. Hexagon. Another spline, different. That's just like a normal screwdriver, small. And another A circle, different size. And last but not least, screw, it says. Oh, okay. It's got threads on it. So apparently I'd never run into one like that, but you would screw this in there and use this as a handle to pull something out. I would assume. Don't know for sure. So that's what you get in this kit. And I know I've messed with some of these things and tried to work with them, and they're not friendly. I mean, if you don't have these tools, it's not friendly to work on them. So this can make your life a lot easier. And I'm glad I discovered those labels on there. So I'm sure you're going to see this when we're working on carburetors. Right now, I don't happen to have anything going that's carburetor related, but pretty near everything you get anymore has got carburetor troubles. This new gas is just bad news for them. So if you need small parts, check these guys out. Tell them Papa Junk sent you, because otherwise they're not going to know you've seen my video, because I don't have any codes or anything where you can let them know. So say if you need something, check them out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.